Hello everyone. The IELTS book number 5 was published way back in 2006, but it so happens that all of the tasks mentioned therein continue to be valid up till this date and up to the foreseeable future. I decided to do a series on the essays and the academic tasks 1 as well as the general training letter writings that are there over here as a refresher for the vocabulary as well as the sentence structures that have been used to answer these questions. So do subscribe to my channel to gain access to this entire series. Also do watch this video all the way till the end so that you know how these essays and these tasks have been structured right from the introduction all the way to the conclusion. Thank you. How to write a 2-question essay. Nowadays, we are producing more and more rubbish. Why do you think this is happening? And what can governments do to help reduce the amount of rubbish produced? This essay can be written in 4 paragraphs. The introduction, where I mention the details of the topic. Para 1, where I answer the first question. Para 2, where I answer the second question. And the conclusion, where I summarize the essay. For each of these paras, I will first explain the format and then show an example. In the introduction, rewrite the topic in your own words and mention what you will write in the essay. Humans have progressed significantly over the years, and industrial development has been the key factor for this progress. However, the irresponsible disposal of waste materials generated by these industries is resulting in the destruction of natural environment. This essay will discuss the main causes of the generation of industrial rubbish and will also suggest ways by which governments could influence its reduction over time. In para 1, answer the first question. Why do you think that this is happening? The industrial sector functions to produce finished products from various raw materials. In so doing, there is a lot of waste materials that results from incidental, intentional, as well as unintentional events. These range from spillage and improper disposal to wastage occurring due to lack of awareness on the part of the workforce. All of these materials end up in sewer lines, natural water bodies, and landfills. This irresponsibly dumped rubbish onto the natural environment contributes to environmental pollution and ultimately environmental destruction. Now in para 2, answer the second question. What can governments do? To counter this, the government can implement programs to educate the industrial workforce towards better disposal techniques. They can also provide funding to industries that are willing to upgrade their old machineries to more efficient ones. And lastly, specific organizations could be formed to monitor industrial activities, and penalties could be levied on those who do not follow the prescribed disposal techniques. These progressive approaches could make a positive impact over the years in reducing the burden of waste materials on the environment. As for the conclusion, summarize the essay in 1 to 2 sentences. Thus, the primary factor for rubbish generation is the industrial sector. There are, however, a number of steps that the governments can take to reduce the negative impact that this has on the environment. The next slide will show the entire essay. You may pause to read at your own pace. Thank you for watching. hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to my channel to receive regular updates on IELTS and other related topics. You can do so by clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon at the bottom right of this video. If you are interested in joining me for a one-on-one online session, then you can contact me by email or WhatsApp. My contact information can be found below this video in the description. Thank you for watching.